Hi, and welcome back to the New Way Health channel. Have you ever heard of collagen?
Probably.
Have you ever taken a collagen supplement?
Maybe.
But what exactly is collagen, and how does it relate to vitamin C? Let us dig into the science behind collagen and vitamin C, and find out what we can do to support healthy
Collagen for youthful skin and tissues.
First, let's talk about what collagen is. Collagen is the main protein that provides structure and support to our skin, hair, bones, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. In fact, collagen makes up 25 to 35% of the protein in our bodies. That's a lot. So how does it work? Collagen is made up of amino acids that are linked together in a specific sequence. This sequence allows the collagen to form strong, flexible fibers that provide support to our tissues. Our bodies naturally produce collagen, but the production of collagen decreases as we age, which can lead to wrinkles, sagging skin, joint pain, and other issues. Now let's talk about vitamin C. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient that plays a key role in the production of collagen. In fact, vitamin C is one of the most important factors that influence collagen synthesis. When there's enough vitamin C in the body, the cells that make collagen, called fibroblasts, can function properly. This is because vitamin C helps stabilize the amino acids that make collagen, making sure they're available and ready to build collagen fibers. Vitamin C also activates the enzymes needed for collagen synthesis. Without enough vitamin C, collagen production slows down, and the existing collagen breaks down faster than it can be replaced, leading to a decrease in the amount of collagen in the body. Now that we know how collagen and vitamin C are related, let's talk about natural ways to boost collagen. Eating a diet rich in vitamin C, such as foods high in vitamin C, can help support collagen production. This includes fruits like oranges and strawberries and vegetables like bell peppers and kale. Another way to boost collagen is through amino acids, the building blocks of collagen. Foods like bone broth, chicken, and fish are rich in amino acids that can support collagen production. Finally, you can support your collagen by staying hydrated, because drinking a sufficient amount of water keeps your skin healthy and elastic. Now let's talk about collagen supplements. Many people take collagen supplements to boost their collagen levels, but do they work? Well, when taken orally, collagen supplements can be digested, and the amino acids can be used to build new collagen. However, the efficiency of this process is not very high, and it's unclear whether taking collagen supplements has any additional benefits over eating foods that are rich in collagen and amino acids. In conclusion, supporting collagen is essential for maintaining youthful skin and healthy tissues. Eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of vitamin C and amino acids can help boost collagen production naturally. While collagen supplements may seem like a quick fix, they're not necessary if you're already eating a healthy diet. Stay hydrated and protect your skin from the sun and pollution. These are the best ways to keep your collagen strong and your skin looking young and healthy. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends. Can't wait to see you next time.